are heading over to Indiana Jones, a ride we've never done.
I assume I'm going the right way. Yes.
It needs a headbanger.
My head forward. Motherfucker. So we just got off of Indiana Jones at the Temple of Peril roller coaster. It was awful. It was really bad. I tried to like keep my head back, you know, and the first drop, like I think I lost part of my left ear.
It's a bit of a headbanger. Yeah, it has over-the-shoulder restraint.
Yeah.
It's kind of it's just like a wild mouse loop inside of it.
It is, but it's painful.
Yeah.
So then I just like put my head all the way forward because I didn't want it hitting the sides of those things, and that wasn't comfortable either. So
yeah.
There's really not a comfortable way to ride this. Maybe if you're little and your head wouldn't hit those things, I don't know, but I'll never be riding that again.
I do have to say the wait on it's really short all day long, and the only other thing is it's very well decorated. Very well decorated.
It is that. It's just funny because when we were here 6 years ago, it was closed, so I'm guessing they were refurbing it, but oof, man, it is still painful. So I don't recommend it. Even if you've never been on it, I still don't recommend it. But because you can see all the theming just from out here. But you know, some people like that kind of stuff. So if you think you can handle it, I say go for it.